Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex Ray, and I got a great video for you all today. In today's video, we are visiting my good friend, Mr. Matt Morgado, aka the Portuguese sensation, aka the proud owner of GT Customs Exhaust and Fabrication, where, as you can see, only the coolest cars come visit. Now, in today's video, we are going to be addressing all the haters from a couple videos ago. Haters, what's Alex talking about? Well, you guys roasted the living kahunas out of me for that 1 of 10 DEFIV Titanium Differential Brace, saying how your grandma can weld better and that it's better off just going in the junk bin. And that's why I gave Matt Morgado the opportunity to restore this brace and prove all you haters wrong. So let's go inside, we're gonna see Matt, and let's see what he came up with. This doesn't apply to me.
Hey guys, welcome to GT Customs. Alex and everybody are always welcome here. What we have here is Alex's DEFIV Titanium subframe brace. Alex took a lot of hate on this online when he first threw the photos up on the forums for the weld quality and just kind of the finish of the brace. So we had to kind of turn it around for this piece and make it look good and make it function the way it's supposed to. So what we ended up doing is we cleaned the entire piece down, took a look over all the welds, and we decided to make a fixture to hold the piece and re-weld the entire unit. This way we can make sure all the welds were the way they needed to be in all the specific locations. And then after me and Alex kind of worked together and figured out what kind of coloring or burn plan we could put together to color the piece the way he wanted it to.
And look how beautiful it is.
It turned out really nice. And then of course we had to add the custom little, Project Sky 1 of 1 by GT Customs for Alex. That way.
And why did we do that?
Oh, we got to make sure it's a 1 of 1 just for Alex and for the Project Sky.
But I also got to give tribute to where credit is due.
And
that's why I got to make sure that you guys are always a part of this journey for Project Sky. So that's why we did the tribute piece to Matt and the GT Customs team. So thank you, Matt.
And thank you for bringing it down. We had a lot of fun getting to work on this and to bring it back to life so it's ready for the caliber that your build's at.
So am I okay to take off my flame suit now?
I think so. I think
I got roasted.
I think you can post this online. I don't think you're going to take any hate. And you know what? It's going to go in the car. It's not going to crack. You're not going to have any issues with it. So and that's the most important part.
Well, thank you. And why don't you take us on a tour of the cars and the projects that you got on the go today?
So we have a few things on the go today. Today's Saturday for us, which is a little bit of a shorter day, but we have a really cool Evo 9 we're working on. We're doing some titanium intercooler piping.
Wow.
Some hard lines for the wastegates. We're going to redo the way the splitter's mounted.
Okay.
Then we got a Supra we're wrapping up. Same thing, intercooler piping, 4-inch exhaust.
Let's take a look.
Yeah, Eric's actually working on it right now, getting everything buttoned up so it's ready for the trailer later.
Ah, the man who doesn't say anything. What's going on, Eric? What are you working on?
Just putting the intercooler pipes in that Matt made a couple days ago.
Look at these. Look at these welds. Again, you want the best, you come to the best, right, Eric?
Absolutely.
There we go. 2 words out of Eric.
Hey, I'm a simple man.
Yeah. Good. Hope everyone enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Guess what? Next video, we are going to take an in-depth look at this beautiful Alfa Romeo 4C.